Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to hide and unhide column in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Okay, so first here you will see you have to I have created two columns, this A column and this is D column. Okay, now I want to hide this column. So what you have to do is just select the column. Okay, then here you will see format option. Okay, go to format. I will show you two way by which you can easily do it. Here you will see hide and unhide. Now you want to hide, so you can like this hide the column. Okay, so if you want to unhide this, what you have to do, just click on it. Okay, here, and then you have to go again to format. Okay, then here you will see hide and hide. Now just unhide columns. So like this you can hide and unhide. Okay, you can also there is one way by which you can also do it. Just select and right click here, then here you will see hide and unhide option. So like this you can hide and unhide column in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.